it's Arushi and today I'm back with a video, and today's video is all about traveling. So if you guys didn't know already, and if you guys aren't following me on Instagram and Snapchat, you might not really know that I was traveling and I was in Goa. And by the way, if you aren't following me on Instagram and Snapchat, you totally should, because I keep updating whatever I'm doing, wherever I'm going, what I'm filming. So you guys should totally go ahead and add me there. I'm going to be putting all the links in the description box below, so you can check that out. But coming back to the topic, I was in Goa for a week and I was traveling. So I decided to show you guys what I had on my travel carry-on bag. So basically, you guys have really been asking me to do like a what's in my bag video, but I'll be very honest with you guys, I don't like faking anything with you people. So I don't really have any necessary staples that I carry on in my daily carry-on bag. So I decided to show you guys my travel carry-on, because I do have a lot of necessary things that I always carry whenever I'm traveling. Even if it's a long trip or a short trip, I do carry these always. So yeah, that is about it. I won't blabber anymore because I usually talk a lot. So without any further ado, let's just get started. Alright, so my best friend basically called, so I had to pause my video in between. I had to go. So basically, this is my travel bag that I carry. I've been carrying this from the last 2 trips that I've been making, and this is actually really smart. I'm actually really inclined towards brown and neutrals. So this is a bag that I really like, and I don't really remember where I bought it from, but it is quite spacious, so it works for me. And I'm not much of a brand person, so anything which is pretty and is spacious works for me. So this has 2 pockets in the front, one out here, one in the middle and one in the back. I actually broke the zipper of the back pocket, so please ignore that. Now let's start with whatever I was having in my bag and whatever I carried. So in the first 2 front pockets, in the first front pocket I have some sanitary napkins just in case I need them. And then out here I have 2 baggage tags. So basically before the security check, while I'm getting my boarding passes, I do put in like 2 extra baggage tags just in case I need them in emergency. And then out here, when you open this pocket, the first thing that I see is a pair of glares. Now the one that I am carrying this time, is this reflector pair of Lennon glasses. So my friend Freya gifted these to me, so I was carrying these this time. And then the next thing that I have is my makeup, like my travel makeup bag. So I do carry bare minimals whenever I'm traveling. I don't really carry like a full-fledged thing. So I'm going to be showing you what I have out here. So the first thing is a roll-on. Now I do need the roll-on deos, and this one is the best because it's in like an anti-perspirant deo. So it's amazing, and I carry on this, and you are just allowed like 100 ml, and this is just 50 ml, so it works the best. The next thing that I am carrying is a lip balm. So in flights, your lips and your skin really tend to get dry, so I do carry a lip balm, and a lip balm is actually like a must for me. Next is another lip balm. This one is an EOS mint lip balm, so I do carry this as well. Next, I am carrying 3 lipsticks. So I have like different shades of them. So I have one in like a pinkish color, one is a nude color, and one is a bright red color, just in case I need to go somewhere, like just in case. Next, I have one foundation. So I'm carrying the Lakme 95 Weightless Smooth Foundation. Actually, I don't really like this product that much, but I really want to finish off with the product, so I was carrying this. Next, I have a small mirror. So that is what I was carrying, just in case I need to see whether my eyeliner is smudged or whatever. Then I have this Lakme Insta Liner. I didn't need to buy a new one, but I just had this one. The next that I have is a mascara. A mascara is a must for me, like a makeup must have and a travel must have, because it really brightens up and it opens your eyes. So this is really important for me. And the last thing that I have is a pair of tweezers. So just in case my middle brows grow out, I need a tweezer, so I do carry that as well. So that is about it for my travel makeup bag. Next, do I have something? Oh yeah, I have a travel comb. So this one is the one that you get in flights. So this one is basically a brush on one side and comb on one side, so I carry that as well. Now moving on to the middle pocket, I have middle compartment. This is a middle compartment. That is how it looks. It's like a bucket compartment. So the first thing that I have is this stole, shawl, whatever you would call it. This one is from Vero Moda, and it's really warm and it's really pretty. So just in case you feel cold, like if I feel cold, I carry on a warm shawl or a stole kind of a thing. So I was carrying this this time. The next thing that I have is a hair elastic, because obviously if you need to tame your hair, a hair elastic is a must. Then so I had this pouch in which I kept my accessories, because I was going out, right? So if I wanted to accessorize, I have a few accessories here. So like I have my pom-pom earrings, a few statement necklaces and stuff like that. So I have a pouch in which I always keep the necessary accessories which match with my outfits, just in case I need them in the trip. Next, I have a pack of baby wipes. Now I was actually in a rush because we left on Diwali night. So I actually forgot to buy a small packet of this. So I took the normal big pack of the Johnson's baby wipes. This is a must for me because I always need to keep my skin hydrated and clean. So I keep this. The next thing that I have, or the last thing that I have in my pocket, oh not last thing, is my laptop. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. So the next thing that I have in my carry-on bag is this laptop. Now I do tend to listen to music or connect my laptop to the Wi-Fi and access the internet or just edit on the flight. So I do carry this thing. Now this is my laptop, so I do carry that as well. The next thing that I have is this book. This is by Corner Family. This is the work in progress. So just in case I get bored in the flight, I do have a book to read. But I don't really read a book. I usually just listen to songs, watch a movie or sleep. But just in case I need a book that day, I have this one because it's my favorite and it keeps me motivated. The next thing that I have, or the last thing in the middle compartment, is a pen. So just in case you need to fill any form or whatever, you have a pen handy. So that was it for my middle pocket. And now for the last compartment, or like the last pocket in my bag, this is just for wires basically. So in this I also carry my phone charger, but my phone's actually getting charged right now, so I'm not really showing it in the video. But I have my laptop and my camera chargers, and I do also carry my camera in a separate bag in this bag actually. So I carry my camera in this bag. I don't really carry it in the same bag, so I carry it in the separate camera bag. And so I have all the wires in my handbag. And I also carry my phone, but it's getting charged, so I won't really show it. And yeah, that is about it. That is all I carry in my carry-on bag, and now it's empty. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. And if you guys have any video requests you want me to film, then go ahead and comment that down below. I'll be happy to read those and film those for you guys. Also, before I end with the video, I want to thank all of you guys for taking out the time to watch my videos and subscribe to my channel, because I am really near 3,000 subscribers. My aim was to basically reach 1,000 before 2016 ended, but with your love and support, I was actually able to cross 2,000 and be near 3,000, which is great. And thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed to my channel and watch my videos and comment on my videos. All of your comments and your thumbs ups mean a lot to me. And if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel already and you happen to like any of my videos, then go ahead and subscribe right now. It's free. And if you guys haven't clicked the notification button, which is basically like a bell icon beside the subscription button, then go ahead and click it right now, because that will just notify you whenever I post. And whenever you see the notification, you can go ahead and straight away watch my video. So I feel that's great. And yeah, that is all I had to say. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!